हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे गूगल क्रोम के कुछ ऐसे एक्सटेंशंस के बारे में जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं। कुछ ऐसे एक्सटेंशंस जो हमें रीडिंग में हेल्प करेंगे, या फिर अगर आप पढ़ना नहीं चाहते हैं, किसी चीज़ को ऑडिबल करना चाहते हैं, सुनना चाहते हैं, वो आप कैसे कर सकते हैं यूजिंग अ सिंगल एक्सटेंशन, या फिर आप कैसे अपने गूगल क्रोम की डिक्शनरी एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं, वो भी आप एक्सटेंशन के थ्रू कर सकते हैं। ये सारे एक्सटेंशंस के बारे में हम जानेंगे इस वीडियो में, सो स्टे कनेक्टेड। सो टू बिगिन विद, सबसे पहला जो हमारा एक्सटेंशन है इज जस्ट रीड। जस्ट रीड क्रोम एक्सटेंशन एंड क्लिक add to Chrome and this is added to my extension section. Okay, now how does it work? Let's suppose I want to know कि what's happening in Afghanistan. मैंने इस पर क्लिक किया by the Wall Street Journal and आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे साइड में आपको कुछ और भी न्यूज़ दिखाई पड़ रही है, बट आपको सिर्फ अपनी न्यूज़ पर फोकस करना है. All you need to do is click on the extension just read and you can see the page is apt as per the article. आसपास की सारी advertisements and other news will be hidden and आप केवल अपने न्यूज़ पर फोकस कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड क्रोम एक्सटेंशन and the name is Google Dictionary. Dictionary Chrome extension. Once you add this to Chrome, it becomes very much easy to search for any of the word just by clicking once on it. You see how does it work? Let me stay stuck to the same journal, that is Afghanistan. Now let me just click on refugees. Once I'm clicking on refugees, it is telling me a person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution and natural disaster. If I'm clicking on decades, it is telling me a period of 10 years. Okay, central, of, at or forming the center. And this is possible only because I have installed the Google Chrome extension of Google Dictionary. Let's move on to the third Chrome extension. So the third one is, if I do not want to read an article, I'm running short of time, or let's suppose I'm doing some other work, but at the same time I want the news or the article to be heard. For that, I have another Chrome extension and the name of the Chrome extension is Read Aloud. Read Aloud Chrome. This will convert the text to speech, and if I'm adding it to Chrome extension, and yes, let's again go for the same topic, what's happening in Afghanistan.
What's happening in Afghanistan? Taliban's return to power in Kabul has spread fears about the nation's future. The Taliban seized power in Afghanistan.
By this extension, you can simply hear to the article. You need not to read the article. Also, you can change the font size. You can increase the font size or you can decrease the font size. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out on the article. I find this is an amazing Chrome extension. Moving on to the fourth Chrome extension. The fourth Chrome extension is Nimbus, which allows you to go for screenshot. And this is not only the simple screenshot that we usually take. In this, we can select a particular area of what all we want to go for screenshotting as. And the name is Nimbus Chrome extension. That extension, what's happening in Afghanistan. I've taken the article. Now if I want to screenshot a certain things in it, I need to go to Chrome extension and screenshotting, visible area, full page or specific area. If I'm going for a specific area, and let's suppose I'm taking only for this plain, and yes, a screenshot. And इसी के साथ यहाँ पे you can edit it. If I'm clicking on edit, you can insert text to it, you can insert shapes, you can crop it and you can add emojis to it. ये सारा कुछ करने के लिए you need not to go to paint brush or any other image editing softwares. Simply all these things could be done using the very single Chrome extension.